Hello everybody, I'm back with yet another coin analysis, and this time we're talking about the granddaddy of cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, right? So let's dive right into it. Alright, so again, let's take a look at the longer time frame. As you can see, very clearly, right, since the great crash, Bitcoin has been ranging for a bit. Look, very clear channel here. Very clear channel. Oops. Very clear channel here. So it's looking likely, right? Bitcoin itself it's gonna be ranging for a while. I don't see any ending anytime soon, as you can see. So what typically happens here, right? See, it will range. When I say ranging, right, it means like it will just head straight up and down within this particular channel itself. Yeah. So one thing to note is that clearly the market's not recovered yet from the Great Depression. However, and also we might have to take note of this Take note of the fact that because it entered the channel downwards, we might see a further dip. There has been people who talked about like way further dips. Let's take a look and see, shall we? On a longer time frame. Nothing much to see here, it seems. Even if I try to manipulate this Fibonacci chart, this seems kind of like the best fit. Yeah, even then it's not very satisfactory, but it seems like the best fit so far. So what this means, right, is be warned. Just let me zoom right in. So be warned that as it starts to range between this channel, it can go as low as 28,000 per coin. And it might even dangerously drop all the way down to 2220. You don't know, because you can see right over here. Sorry about that, I knocked the mic over. Crap. So you can see here, right? There is a point of consolidation here, and this is the 23,000 mark. You can see around about here, so 21 to 24,000 mark. Danger is it's dangerous, right? Because as we have seen thus far, right? If the market surges on uncontrolled, it will crash back down uncontrolled. So do take note of this. Do take note. So it might not be over yet. Right? The Great Depression might not be over yet. If it goes as low as 20,000, what was it again? 20,000 or 21,000 or 24,000. it will probably activate like the next crypto winter. I don't know. So back to trading advice, right? So long-term traders, should we enter? No, stay out. Stay out for sure. As you can see, it's begun its retracement. If you want to enter, wait. Set an alarm or something. Wait for the price to be at around about 30,000. Enter at 30,000. And set a take profit at 20,000. Maybe not so high, right? Maybe 35,000-ish. Yeah, 35,000-ish. So that'll be a 16% upside. Not too bad. Stop loss. Stop loss here. Around about here. So we're looking at a 2.7, yeah, 2.7 upside. Pretty good. Pretty good. Yeah, that's for long-term traders. For short-term traders, let's go check out the 4-hour chart. What's this? Sorry about that. Smacked everything out of position when I smacked the microphone. Oh wow, check this out, right? 5-minute chart, long spike, long spike here, long spike here, long spike, so see, huge long spike here, strong indication, see over here, strong indication here of institutional manipulation, I guess. Institutional game entering, right? Be careful. So never enter here. Do not chase the green candlesticks. Let it retrace down back all the way back down to 30,000. Enter, take profit at 35. Yeah, it's a pretty nice deal, I think. So short-term traders, even for short-term traders, stay out. As you can see, it's rejecting the the trend line, right? However, you might want to consider shorting it if you can play like CFD, if you can buy like CFD or even futures or something like that. Yeah, CFD, you just short it. That's a good idea actually. Short it. Like this. Like this. Yeah. 14 we're looking at a 3.2 ratio, right? 3.2. Pretty good. Pretty good. In fact, I might just take that right now. So yeah, Bitcoin. It's time to short. That's been a quick analysis, right? It's very straightforward this time. When it's a ranging market, it's pretty straightforward. Let it swing up, swing down, just take the money. Yeah, I don't think I've missed anything for now. And in that case, hopefully you found this video useful. If you found it useful, do consider liking and subscribing. Smash the like button like how I smashed the microphone. And I shall see you in the next video.